Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. So it is about that time. I am ready to revert my hair back to curly. So I wanted to make a video just me reverting my hair back. So if you're interested in watching that, continue watching the video, but first don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. Alright guys, so on to the video. What I'm going to use to revert my hair back is just some conditioner. So I'm using the Tresemme Botanic Nourish and Replenish with coconut milk and aloe vera. So I'm just going to apply this to my hair before I shampoo, before I wet it, before I do anything to it. I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and then once I apply that, I'm going to let it sit for a little while because I'm going to give my hair a chance to absorb the moisture and hopefully start to curl up and revert. And guys, I probably could have kept my hair straight for a little while longer, but the way my scalp is set up, it's just itchy and flaky right now. And I've tried applying oil and everything to it, but it's just not. I have a bunch of flakes and I just have to wash it at this point. And I never really do, when I straighten my hair, I never really do keep it straight for more than 2 to 3 weeks, only because I start to miss my curls. And so I'm ready for my curls to come back, and it doesn't help that I go on Instagram and see all these beautiful naturals just flaunting their hair. I'm like, oh, I miss my curls. So yeah, I'm ready to go back. So as you can see, you can start to see, look, my hair is starting to wave back up. So let's hope that that changes from a wave to a curl. So I'm curious, for those naturals out there, when you flat iron your hair, how do you revert back to your curls? What do you do to get your curls back? And also, how do you prevent the flaking in your scalp? Like, how do you prevent the itchiness and the flaking? Yeah, just let me know down below what you do to kind of maintain your hair or your scalp while your hair is straight. I've heard of dry shampoo, but I've never tried it. So I guess that's like an option I guess I can try. I know it feels like I'm using a lot, guys, but this is pretty much all I'm using. Since I'm not using water, I'm just applying a bunch of conditioner because I want to get my hair really, really, really moisturized. So my curls are coming back in, guys. This is a good sign. I'm just hoping that they come in throughout. I did see a few straight pieces, but I'm gonna give that, I'm not gonna panic just yet. I'm gonna give it some time to curl. And hopefully once I wet it with the water, it'll, do its thing, so. All right, a little bit more. Alright guys, I am excited to see my curls come back. I was very, very nervous. You all know, if you saw my last video, I was so nervous because the stylist used so much heat on my hair, and I was just I was explaining how I'm just not used to so much heat because I barely put any heat to my hair. It's been over a year and a half since I have flat ironed my hair, and normally if I diffuse or anything, I normally use cool settings. So I do not apply heat to my hair only because of that reason. I do not want to get heat damage. I'm very afraid of heat damage, so I do everything that I possibly can to prevent it. And so this is exciting. Oh my gosh, my curls are back. Look at this. Although I feel like they're probably too soon to tell, but I feel like they're a little bit stretched. I guess we'll see how much it shrinks when it's all said and done, and I can determine from there. But yay, I'm excited, y'all. So excited. I was not expecting for my curls to revert back this quickly. I was actually expecting to go through the motions, like, you know, go through the whole process before I finally saw my curls. So this is really, really good. Like I said, I see some loose, but I think it's still too soon to tell. And as you can tell, this side is shrinking up. I think we might be in the clear.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm doing a video, honey.
You doing a video?
Yes, I am.
Is there a light in here?
There is.
Let me see.
You see it? You're so silly.
I'm gonna sit here.
Okay, that's fine.
I got my slippers on.
You got your slippers on?
Yeah, my slippers
Okay.
are pink. Got bunnies on it, and eyes, and cheeks, mouth, and
A little
hair.
bit more.
Oh, you look like my hair.
Yeah, it does. You wanna show everybody how we look like twins now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's show everybody how we look like twins now.
Yeah. Mom, this what you're gonna do. We're gonna pay you. That's what you're gonna do, Mom.
I
We're
think that's
gonna
good.
pay you hair down like her.
Like her. Oh, she has beautiful hair, huh?
Her hair is curly.
Yes. All right, guys. Come on, Mom. You want to show them how we're twins now?
Yes.
Today I experimented on her hair, and I'm trying to perfect.
Mommy, we look like twins.
We do. I'm trying to perfect her wash and go. So today we experiment, and I think I got it down, guys. So I'm very excited about her hair today. So we'll see how it looks tomorrow after she wakes up from going to bed tonight. I'm going to see how second day hair looks, and if it looks this good tomorrow, I think we got, you know, what works for her down. So if I have that down, I will be sharing with everyone. So we'll be doing a video on that later on. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna wait a few minutes, wash this off. I'm gonna go through the whole process, and then I will come back. Maybe, I'm not sure if I'll come back tonight. It's pretty late, so maybe I'll show you tomorrow the results. But it'll be quick for you. It'll be like 2 minutes. So anyway, I will see you guys in a bit. Hello, so I am back. It is the next day, and I just wanted to show you, I did my normal hair routine. So I left the conditioner in my hair for about maybe, I don't know, I left it in for a good few hours while I did things around the house. And then I washed the conditioner off, and then I did my regular wash, condition, deep condition. And this are my results. So my curls did come back in full effect, guys. I have no heat damage, which I'm super excited about, because I was kind of worried. So I'm glad that, you know, my hair did bounce back and my curls are back. And as you can see, I don't have any stringy hair or anything like that. Everything is back to normal. So, and my hair in the front has always been, you know, kind of just a different hair texture. So I just wanted to come back and give you guys a quick update on that. Oh, and I also wanted to talk about my giveaway. So as you know, I've been wanting to do a giveaway for quite some time now, and it's just, I want to thank you guys for the support on my channel. So I'm going to be giving away 3 items, and I'm going to put them, I'm probably just going to put a picture somewhere so you guys know what I'm talking about. But my number 1 item is the Shea Moisture Restore Mask. I believe it's the Jamaican castor oil. So that's the 1 item. My second is going to be the Extreme Gel. And my 3rd item will be the Shea Moisture's Curl Stretch pudding, because those are actually the items that I've been using consistently. Those are pretty much my staples at the moment. So those 3 items I will be giving away to one lucky winner. I actually will put my giveaway details over on my Instagram page, so make sure you go over to my Instagram page to get all of the giveaway details. Right there you're gonna find the giveaway rules, what you need to do to be able or eligible to win in this giveaway. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like the video, make sure you thumbs up. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook and Twitter, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.